Hi guys, welcome to another episode of MrLopezClases.com. In this episode we are going to continue in our book of marine gasoline engines, and this is the chapter dedicated to the troubleshoot of codes. Recently in a Real Loco Marina, we received a boat with two outboards, 300 horsepower each one, Evinrude, 2-strokes, wonderful engines. But in the port engine, the customer have a lot of complaints about the chief control and other issues like electronic problems. When the technician, Danny, collected a scanner, he found 6 or 7 different codes. Analyze situation like this is difficult if you are not organized. For that reason, we are going to check the protocol of Danny. It's nice because the first step is Danny analyze the grounds, the power coming in, and after that he analyzed the integrity of the harness. He checked the cable, he removed all the plastics in the unit, and he started to remove the harness, to open the cover, the plastic cover on the harness, and he analyzed wire per wire. If you see on that link, he is checking wire per wire, and he found that all the wires in the harness are in good condition. After that, he started to verify parameters on the relays. Of course, with the service manual. He used the service manual and he started to analyze parameters of resistance in ohms and voltage, according with the manual, in all the relays. He found a couple of relays with the range of ohms a little different, like the recommendation in the manual. For that reason, he made a phone call to the help desk of Evinrude, because they are dealers. Because they are dealers, they have the option to call and receive help, technical support. He called the technical service in Evinrude, and they gave additional recommendations in order to verify parameters in those sensors. And after that, after a long process of verification of ohms and voltage in all the sensors, he found a couple of discrepancies.
249.
So this is order both sensors?
So my question is it says that it's supposed to be 9.8 plus or minus 5 ohms. Because we're doing an ohms reading.
Right.
Is that 5.0 difference or 0.5 difference?
No, 5 ohms of difference.
So this can go anywhere from 4.8 to
14.8, correct.
So how the hell
This
does
is
that
correct.
give you? I mean, it gives you such a broad window.
Yeah, but this is
And
the window.
In the other one, you got only 7.8?
7.8. So they're both within
the specs.
Both are correct.
Yes, but those values are okay. Those values are in the range. Once again, after different phone calls with the help desk and more analysis cable by cable, sensor by sensor, switch by switch, we discover, Danny Jr. and me, that everything is in good condition. The problem is the model. The problem is the computer. Of course, we ordered the computer, we replaced the computer, and the engine was perfect. Yes, that was the moment that we discovered that the problem is the model.
So it
So
needs,
then it's
it
gonna
needs
be
a module.
This is the model. That's correct.
Needs a module.
Well, change the model
Alright.
and see what happens.
We are going to change the
So,
model. We can switch the model.
I don't, it's not worth it. It's too much work to get to the module. And I think the program for
You
each
can't
motor.
switch them.
No?
Right?
No.
The program for each motor?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
That's what I figured.
There's a counter and there's a starboard or.
Oh,
standard
because
import.
it's a different.
Because, remember, this is
Because
an
these are
iDock
joystick.
system.
Yeah, yeah.
Joystick system.
Correct. Correct. Okay. In that
Tell me
case,
you're gonna order.
order the model.
You still have time. Hopefully they have it in Atlanta, or he didn't say what he's got.
Okay, my friends, this is a great example that identify codes, solved codes, is not easy. You need be organized. You need analyze the service manual. Use my table with the codes and sensors. Check the resistance, check the parameters. I recommend for that job use two types of voltmeters, multimeters, analog and digital. The analog with the needle is important to check fluctuations. And you need to create a table and copy the values, because when you call the technical support on the dealer, you need that your information be organized, because they ask to you a lot of questions. How much was the value in the oxygen sensor? How much was the value of... And you need all of that information organized in a table. This is the process. This is the area that produce more money, the area of diagnosis and troubleshoot. Yes, because you need to use the brain and you need to use all of your knowledge. All the problems can be solved. All the problems can be solved. You need go step by step.